Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel on Easy Excel Tips. In this video, I will be showing you how to combine the text from two different cells in Excel. As you can see in my worksheet here, I have the first name in the column C and family name is in the column D. And my purpose is to show the full name so that my data should pick up the first name and then joining that with the second name, family name. So how you can do that? It is very easy. Just put up equal sign and then first cell, which is C9, I have to pick up and then put up and symbol and then the D9 and then press enter. So if you do that, so as you can see, the both the first name and last name, it is joined as a one word. There is no space in between. If you want to put up a space in between, what you need to do, I will show you in another way. So the formula will be same but little bit amended. So you have to use equal sign and then you have to put up the C10 and then and symbol, and then you have to put up the double quotation mark and then space and double quotation mark, and then you have to put up and symbol again and then the D10 address. So you can see the formula very clearly: equal sign, C10, and sign, double quotation, space, double quotation, and symbol, D10, and then press enter. As you can see that now there is a space in between the first name and the family name. Okay, so now the third option is if you have to use the same way but you have to put up the family name first. So how you can do that? The formula will be still the same. You have to just swap the cell address. So it is equal sign and then I have to put up D11 and then and symbol and double quotation and space, and then you have to double quotation again and symbol and then C11 and press enter. See this one, it is other way around, Smith Kylie. So now another option, like some people wants a comma after family name. So if you want to use that way, how you will do that? So I will be showing you. So let's say equal sign and then this is my family name. So put up the and symbol and then double quotation, then firstly put up comma, I need to use put up comma and then space and then quotation again, double quotation and symbol and then address C13, press this. Now you see the difference, family name, comma, space, and this one. So that is how you can play with the data. So it is all my full name, whichever way you want, I showed you there. So if you like my video, please subscribe to this YouTube channel for more easy Excel tips and press the bell icon. Thank you.